ekuseni nilalele umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 Nobombele umkenenezo umphefumulo lasithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu ninjani ekuseni kuyisonto mhla ka 22 ka February 2026 khathi 5 to 7 ninjani kodwa ekuseni uNkulunkulu sephinde wasipha futhi lolu suku oluhle kangaka kusho ukuthi we still have a journey to go. We still have to fulfill our mandate as humankind. We were born ukuveza ubuhle bukaNkulunkulu emhlabeni. So sekuyilo leso sikhathi. I just want to thank God ukuthi usenzelile umusa wasigcina savuka, and ngiyazi ukuthi ke abantu baya prepare manje ukuya ezindaweni ezehlukene beyokhuleka ndawonye bezikhumbuza ngokuthi phela asiziphileli nje, siphila ngenxa komusa kunoNkulunkulu wasidala. So it's always important ukuthi sihlale acknowledge lokho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona, uNkulunkulu uyaphila, uNkulunkulu wethu ngumdali wethu owadala konke. So but niyaphila konke nje, America, Asia, Europe nas-Africa. Hope uNkulunkulu nani mgcinile nje, sikhulekela ukuphila kwabagulayo. Siyakumemezela manje as umkenenezo umphefumulo sithi nje uNkulunkulu aniphilise. Ngiyazi ukuthi phela imizimba yethu ibuye ibe nezinhlungu ezithize, but uNkulunkulu siyamthemba ukuthi uyena okwazi ukuphilisa umuntu ngoba umuntu wadalwa nguye. So siyakhuluma ukuphila kwabagulayo, even now who are going through stress or anxiety. We pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu anikhulule kulezo zimo ukuze impilo zenu zibe whole, njengoba sikhuluma ngokuwela siwelela kwi promised land manje. So asifisi ukuthi imizimba yethu ibe nenkinga, nengqondo zethu zibe nenkinga uma sesiwelile, sesi-occupyile space. You have to be strong in all spheres of your body, in all spheres of your life, because i-rulership ifanele be balanced. And I will just share this something that we were talking about nkosikazi izolo ukuthi ifanele siqaphele ukuthi umuntu umthathu emunye ngoba sifana naye uNkulunkulu. So we are spirit, but having a mind and living in the body. So but lama spheres of our lives are very important. Akumele ukuthi singampela njengabantu asebambulelwe iqiniso sibe neqiniso kuzo zonke lezi gaba zempilo esiziphethe. Ungaba umuntu okumoya ofida umoya kuphela, engafidi ingqondo, engafidi umzimba, so fanele zonke lezi gaba zibe healthy, zibe balance, zibe aligned. Ingakho kubalekela ukuthi before ukhuphume ngaphandle utshela abantu qala uzilungise wena ube munye uwedwa, ungaphikisani ngoba ukuzizwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu akhuluma into kuwe but ingqondo yakho iphike, noma umzimba wakho uthatha umzimba wakho awukho strong. So and nami I'm guilty kule part of training my body, and make sure my body is healthy, eating well, eating good food, healthy food, not nice food, healthy, good food, So okuzosiza ukuthi because remember ukuthi umzimba operator ngegazi, and i-message yomzimba it's in blood form, So we have to make sure that we are healthy, so that when the spirit speaks to the mind and the mind is well organized and the mind is well structured, and it can release the message to the body. And then when the message is going through the veins, kungaba khona ama-blockages, angafuni ukuthi umzimba uzwe the spiritual message. So we have to take care of everything uNkulunkulu asabele yona. Especially the mind and the body, because those are realms uNkulunkulu asiphe power ukuthi si dominate as spirit being. Bekuyilokho nje, just to give you a clue, because we're talking about ukuwela and live in the promised land ngengqondo nangomzimba wakho nangomoya wakho uphelele. That's why now sizokhuluma just a little bit ngoJoshua la ku chapter 5 ukhuluma ngeGilgali. So I will start in chapter 4 verse 19, because yakhumbula ukuthi bawela ke, and then they had to put amatshe 12 as isikhumbuzo ukuthi abantwana babo bakhumbule ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabathatha wababekaphi, and uNkulunkulu wenzani eJordan, because that was a symbol transitions transition eyayenzeka from wilderness to this place called the promised land. And I want us to learn something now emfishane eGilgal ukuthi kwenzakalani, and then we'll relate with that regarding the process, because sometimes we have to have a process as we step into another stage of life, and it requires another dimension of thinking, so we have to tap into those things. So siyabonga kakhulu. Let me just go verse 19 uthi abantu banyuka eJordani ngolweshumi lwenyanga yokuqala, bamisa eGilgal emkhawulweni wangasempumalanga kwaseJericho. Lawo matshe ayi12 abawakhipha eJordani uJoshua wawamisa eGilgali. Wakhuluma kubantwana baka-Israyeli wathi, nxa abantwana benu beya kubuza oyise ngesikhathi esizayo bethi, ayini la matshe na, anobazisa abantwana benu nithi u-Israyeli wawela leli Jordani emhlabathini owomileyo. Mighty God, mighty God. Ngokuba uJehova uNkulunkulu wenu wawamisa amanzi eseJordani phambi kwenu naze nawela, njengalokhu uJehova uNkulunkulu wenu wenza elwandle olubomvu alomisa phambi kwethu saze sawela. Ukuma abantu bonke bomhlaba bazi isandla sikaJehova ukuthi sinamandla, nesabe uJehova uNkulunkulu wenu ukuze kube phakade. Uyayibona indlela uNkulunkulu akhuluma ngayo ukuthi the things azenza ngempilo yakho, afuna ukuthi umhlaba wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu nawe. So ungazibalekeli izinto ezizoveza amandla kaNkulunkulu, uvumele ukuhamba ezwini kaNkulunkulu ngoba lizokuhambisa ngendlela ezokwazi ukuthi umhlaba wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaphila futhi uNkulunkulu nawe. So we have to understand those things and remember izinto uNkulunkulu azenzile. Ukhumbule la uNkulunkulu akukhiphe khona, ukhumbule uNkulunkulu la ekufake khona waphinde wakhipha. It's very important ukuthi sikwazi lokho. Lalela umsakazo Music Happens FM ekuseni kuyisonto 22 kaFebruary 2026. Sithi nje abantu abawele abathathe indawo zabo zokubusa bebusa ekulungeni. Oh my God, let me read chapter 5 now. You remember tige sebe seGilgal now. And then wathi onke amakhosi ama-Amori ayengaphesheya kweJordani ngasentshonalanga, na wonke amakhosi amaKhanani ayengaselwandle eseza ukuthi uJehova womise amanzi aseJordani phambi kwabantwana bakwa-Israyeli saze sawela, izinhliziyo zabo zaphela amandla, kungabe kusaba khona isibindi ngenxa yabantwana baka-Israyeli. That God brought fear to these giants, kings, and So remember ukuthi God ukuhambisa nombuso wakhe. So mawufika emhlabeni ufika dismantlisha noma dethrona ama-rules akade khona, and then God is using you to establish ama-rules azoveza umbuso wakhe olungileyo. So now ama-miracles wenza uNkulunkulu kubantwana Israel was bringing fear to those kings, so that uma befika abantwana beIsrael kube ukuthi balwe impi enqotshiwe. So it's very important to understand that. And sebesaba nje ngenxa ukuthi abantwana Israel they were coming. Ngalesi sikhathi uJehova wathi kuJoshua, zenzele omese bese bensengentsha ubuye usoka abantwana bakwa-Israyeli ngokwesibili. uJehova wazenzela omese uJoshua wazenzela omese bensengentsha, wabasika abantwana bakwa-Israyeli edulini lamaJwabu. Nasi isizathu uJehova abasoka ngaso. Bonke abantu baphuma eGibhithe ababengabesilisa, onke amadoda empi bafa ehlane ngasendleleni sebephumile eGibhithe, ngokuba bonke abantu abaphuma babesokile, kepha bonke abantu abazalwa ehlane ngasendleleni ekuphumeni kwabo eGibhithe babengasokanga. Ngokuba abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bahamba iminyaka engamashumi 45 saze saphela isizwe sonke, yiwo amadoda empi aphuma eGibhithe. Lokhu engalalelanga izwi likaJehova, wafunga kuJehova ukuthi akuyokuwobona izwe uJehova alifungela uyise, ethi uyakusinika lona, izwe elivame ubisi nezinyosi. Abantwana bawo abavusa esikhundleni sawo, bona uJoshua wabasoka ngokuba babengabangasokile. Lokhu bengabasokanga endleleni. Kwathi sebeqedile ukusoka, abantu bonke bahlala ezindaweni zabo eKamu baze baphola. uJehova wayesethi kuJoshua, namuhla nginethulile kini ihlazo laseGibhithe. Ngalokho igama laleyo ndawo lathiwa iGilgali kuze kube namuhla. So I like ukuthi-ke le process eyenzeka lana yokusoka eyayisimbolize ukususwa kwengqondo yaseGibhithe. uNkulunkulu efuna ukuthi bathephe into indawo yokubusa. So yilokho nje sikusho namhlanje, sengizovala ukuthi uNkulunkulu usesiwelisile, but kunale circumcision efanele yenzeke ukuze sithephe into this new dimension of rulership. So la uNkulunkulu ezoba umbusi wethu, ngoba sizothatha izindawo fertile manje, kufanele kutshalwe kusetshenzwe. So akusadingakali manje ingqondo yaseGibhithe, sekufuneka omunye umqondo wokusebenza. So esiwela manje uNkulunkulu, I pray ukuthi singalahlekelwa ifa lethu uNkulunkulu asensinike lona. Let us focus on what God has said to us and follow instructions. So ingakho le ndawo kuthiwa iGilgali, ukusho ukuthi ihlazo lobugqila selunqamuliwe, inkaba gqila neyasehlane inqamuliwe. So you are moving to another stage, and yeah, siyabonga kakhulu nje uNkulunkulu anisibekele. Hambani ke niyohlangana, nikhuleke ndawonye, nibonisane, nikhule ekwazini umsindisi. God bless you. Sizonibona ntambama in afternoon drive. Lalela umsakazo Gavins FM channel 33 nobompele umkhenenezo womphefumulo. God bless you.